Somebody better be dying.
I'm dying.
Dying.
I'm dying.
Harold?
Don't forget to pay the guard.
Yes.
Of course, darling.
Fiona,
Yes, Daddy?
I know I've made many mistakes with you,
It's okay.
but your love for Shrek taught me so much.
Taught me.
My dear boy, I am proud to call you my son.
And I'm proud to call you my frog king dad-in-law.
Now, there is a matter of business to attend to. The Frog King is dead.
You bled dead.
Please come hither.
Yeah, Dad?
This kingdom needs a new king. You and Fiona are next in line for the throne.
Oh, next in line. Now, you see, Dan, that's why people love you. Even on your deathbed, you're still making jokes. Oh, come on, Dad. An ogre as king? I don't think that's such a good idea. I mean, there's got to be somebody else. Anybody.
Aside from you, there is only one remaining heir.
Really? Who is he, Dad?
His name is...
Yeah. What's his name? What's his name?
We. Itching bugs. Ow.
His name is Arthur.
Arthur.
You'll do what's right.
That's right.
Harold?
Dad? Dad!